Let's have a look at a typical technology landscape of an IoT platform and where Solace sits in that stack and the value it provides. Let's go from the bottom up. We have our connected things, the vehicles, elevators, escalators in buildings, equipment, machines and tools in factories, edge gateways, microcontroller units that are installed in appliances, and track and trace devices. Moving up the stack, we have our IoT frameworks and protocols, such as Eclipse Foundation, EdgeX Foundry, OPC UA, and others. Next comes the management infrastructure, such as device management, security and access management, identity entitlements, asset monitoring and management, and so on. Next comes the data infrastructure, reference data combined with time series data, streaming analytics, machine learning, reporting, data services, and location services. At the integration layer, we have our standard integration technologies, such as ESBs and API management, but we also see a shift to include more and more real-time streaming capabilities. And finally, we get to the business applications themselves that range from predictive maintenance to production optimization, ERP systems, supply chain management, manufacturing, execution systems, and so on. Then the question becomes, how do we stitch all this together? Across geographies, across clouds, at scale, and in real time. Our Solace PubSub Plus Event Broker offers that capability, providing connectivity management, data and event distribution, security and access control, and entitlements enforcement. When we deploy our PubSub Plus brokers across environments and geographies and interconnect them, we create what we call the hybrid IoT event mesh, a seamless real-time connectivity fabric, which all services and applications use to communicate and exchange events and data in real time.